right, welcome to the Blender 3.0 Docwalk. So this is the Blender community page. This basically is just giving you links to different resources. I highly recommend using these, or finding one that works for you. There are several independent sites, as it says here. If you want to go through there and kind of sift through them and find a community that works for you, go for it. Blender artists, this actually really is a really good community to belong to. I mean, it just really is a good community. There's a lot of communities as well for downloading, like, Blender models, Blender oriented designs and landscapes, all sorts of stuff. You can really get a good handle on just about everything Blender by just, hanging around, asking questions. There's a Blender chat, Stack Exchange, of course. You can report bugs. I mean, basically all of your software related sort of things, right? There's the support page for people that want to get into actually developing Blender. There's the developer mailing list and developer.blender.org. There's also a chat for developers as well. Yeah, so here's just about everything you need to know. I mean, really, that's just about it. Let's move on to the next page. All right, so when we come back, we're going to go through installation for all three systems. Installing from Steam. I wasn't aware of that. Pretty cool. All right, I will see you guys then.